Tonight, a powerful nor'easter slamming the East Coast with dangerous flooding along the coastline and vicious winds causing 1.4 million power outages from Maine to North Carolina. Along Massachusetts coastline,
this whole street will be totally flooded.
Look at this.
Probably within the next 45 minutes.
Wind gusts above 70 miles an hour. Streets simply gone beneath the water. And the waves.
The ground shakes. You can hear it. You can feel it.
Whoa.
Now,
look at that. That went up over the roof.
That hit the house, so we got to step back.
We've more than doubled our staff.
With the storm's first high tide, Duxbury Fire was at the ready, checking on residents who stayed behind.
There actually is a road underneath here.
Using this massive high water vehicle to get to areas now cut off by water. Tens of millions up and down the coast are still in the thick of it. In Boston, the harbor spilling into the streets.
My wife and mother are not happy that I'm bringing my kids down here right now, but we're playing it safe.
In Pennsylvania and upstate New York, heavy snow making driving treacherous.
Rain, snow, slush, it's just, my windshield wipers almost can't keep up with this stuff.
Around New York City, wind gusts over 60 miles an hour, toppling trucks on bridges. Downing trees in Philadelphia, hitting a bus on a highway. While those whipping winds in D.C., rocking scaffolding and downing trees. And turning deadly in Virginia, a 6-year-old boy killed in his bed when a tree came through the roof. Back in Duxbury, first responders now ready for a long night.
From everything the meteorologists are telling us, this water is not going to be able to escape, so it's only going to get worse.
And we still have 2 more high tide cycles to go through before this storm moves on. That, as we are learning about another death from a downed tree in this storm. And Lester, as you can see, these winds just continue to whip.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.